held your hand, but time slipped by. No warning, just a last goodbye. The silence louder than the rain. My heart still calls your name. The empty room, the photos fade, but not the memories we made. I curse the sky, I break, I fall. Why did you have to take it all? But in the dark I feel a trace of something deeper than this place. You're not gone, just out of view, held in arms that carry through. Though I ache and don't understand, you are safe within His hands. And somehow, through the tears, I find a whisper saying, you're still fine. I see your smile in morning skies, a quiet calm that never lies. Through shattered days I feel Him near, a gentle voice that says I'm here. Each broken piece He starts to mend. With every prayer I learn again. This pain, it has a sacred part of growing faith inside my heart. The grave can't steal what God has sown. Your spirit sings around His throne. You're not gone, just out of view, held in arms that carry through. Though I ache and don't understand, you are safe within His hands. And somehow, through the tears I find a whisper saying, you're still fine. I'll walk this road with heaven's guide, with Jesus always by my side. What once felt like the end of days now blooms with grace in brighter ways. You're not gone, you're just ahead, living where no soul can dread. Though I weep, I walk in peace. In Christ the hurt begins to ease. And someday, when my race is done, we'll meet again in endless sun. In your light I carry on. In your light